Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the 5 tips regarding ChatGPT search. So friend, please watch the video complete so that you can use the ChatGPT in more effective ways. And friend, also we are going to check the how you can open your account on the ChatGPT. So friend, please watch the video complete. So friend, let's check first about how you can create your ChatGPT account. So for that friend, you have to go to the Google search and you have to write the just chat gpt. And friend, once you write the chat gpt, then you can see below here first link is given, that is open ai. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click friend, then this type of window will open. And here you can see here on the left hand side, you can see here friend, they have given that is a chat gpt try. So you have to simply click on that. And once you click friend, then this type of window will come. Then you can see here two option is given, that is a login and sign up. So you have to click on the sign up, and after creating the sign up, you have to enter your email address and you have to verify it, and you have to create your id. So friend, once your id is created, then you have to log in, and this type of window you will get. So you can see here I have already login, so this type of window will come. So friend, let's check first tips, that is a first one. So friend, anyone all we are using the youtube videos. So you can see if you don't like to watch the long videos on the youtube, then you can convert their content in the summary form. So you can see here steve jobs speech is given here, so you can convert it in the summary form using the chat gpt. So let's check how you can convert it. So friend, for that you have to simply copy this url of this video, and you have to go to the chat gpt, and you have to write here, please provide summary. And below that you have to provide the link of the video, and also you have to copy the subtitle, you can see their title of the video. So once you copy friend, then again you have to paste below that. So and after paste, you have to click on this enter. So friend, you can see here chat gpt will provide you a small summary of the video. So you can see they are generating their responses. So friend, it will also save your time. So this was the first tips. And similarly friend, if you want to check the second example, like you can see also here the speech of sundar pichai is given, who is ceo of the google. So for converting it also, you have to copy the link of the video, and again you have to write here, please provide summary. And below that you have to again enter the url, and you have to, after that you have to provide the title of the video. And again friend, you have to enter below that, and you have to enter, then you can see the again a summary of this particular video is generating by the chat gpt. So friend, this was the first tip, that you can generate the summary using chat gpt for youtube videos. So friend, let's check the second tips. The second tips is friend, the web search result. So if you are searching any particular topic on the search engines like google or any other, so if you generate this type of paragraphs, so again you can convert it into a smaller summary form. So for example, you can see here the coursera result is given, that is a data analyst task and responsibilities. So you can see here their brief paragraph is given. So we can simply convert it in a summary form. For that you have to friend simply copy this content. And friend, once you copy, then again you have to go to the chat gpt, and you have to write, please provide summary. And below that you have to paste it. So you can see here now chat gpt is generating the summary. So you can see the original result was of around 50 to 60 lines, but they convert in the summary form in the 9 to 10 lines. So you can see here, so it can save your time also. So friend, this is the second tips. So friend, let's check the third tips. So friend, if you search for any particular topic and you want to answer this in the one single sentence, so you can here search it. So for that friend, we are going to check the one question, that is tell me about Tesla in single sentence. So friend, you can see here the chat GPT is providing the result in single sentence. You can see Tesla is an American company that design and manufactures electric vehicles, energy storage system and solar products. And friends, similarly, if you want another question in and answer in the single sentence, let's check the another example. So we are searching, tell me about Ronaldo in single sentence. So friend, once you click again, then below you can see answer regarding the Ronaldo in single sentence is given. You can see Ronaldo, commonly known as a Cristiano Ronaldo, and he is a Portuguese professional football player, widely regarded as the one of the greatest players of all time. So, friend, you can see if you want any particular answer in one single liner, you can get it using the Chat GPT. So, friend, this was the third tips. Let's check the fourth tips. So, friend, if you are searching the any means speeches or any other things on the Google or any search engines, and you want to convert it in your local languages, so you can also convert it using the Chat GPT. For example, you can see we are copying this speech given by the Ratan Tata, so we are going to convert it in Hindi language. So you have to copy, and you have to write here, convert below in Hindi language, and below you have to paste it. So you can see now Chat GPT will convert this small paragraph into Hindi language. So friend, you can use it in for your work for the understanding the various things in your local languages. And similarly, friend, you can also generate it in another languages. Let's check the second example. So convert below in German language. So friend, below you have to again paste it. So friend, once you click, then you can see it will convert this paragraph into German language. So it is taking time, so we have to wait. So friend, you can see here the chat gpt is started to respond. So you can see here about their content, they are providing it. And friend, this was the fourth tips, and let's check the fifth tip. So, friend, for the fifth tip, we are going to check the some of the example in which we are going to discuss how you can correct the your sentence, and or you can correct your grammars. So, friend, you can also stop it the search via click on this stop generating. So, once you click, the response will stop. So, let's check it. Fifth, that is tips. That is you can correct your grammars. So, you have to write the first. Please correct grammar, and below you have to write the example. Currently I'm writing the one simple example. I am look for. So you can see the correct sentence is I am looking for job change. So I have wrongly written the look and the job spelling, so the chat gpt will correct it. So you have to first enter. So you can see here they will provide the right sentence. So you can see I am looking for a job change. And similarly, friend, you can also write the second example. For example, you are writing the you have to first write the please correct the grammar. And again you have to write the some example like my name is Brandon. So we are changing it. So you can see which ChatGPT will provide the correct result. So you can see the correct sentence is my name is Brandon. So you can see we have write the wrong spelling of the name, as well as the instead of is we have used the R. So you can see they have corrected. So friend, you can use these five tips in your regular work, so that you can use the chat GPT in more effective ways. And friend, if you like the our videos, friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will motivate us to create more videos for you. And also friend, please explore our channel, Mechanical Stream. We have make the various videos regarding the internship opportunity, free certification courses. So please watch the our channel and subscribe Mechanical Stream. And if you have any query, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.